Collaboration, such as with Aper, strengthens the integration between adhesive technology and application equipment. This leads to a better alignment between product and process, which increase efficiency, reliability and performance.
Every adhesive has unique properties: viscosity, open time, application, temperature that significantly impact machine performance. By working side by side with SABA adhesive manufacturers, we can fine-tune our machines to match those specific characteristics, ensuring optimal application and consistent bonding quality.
Testing on different machines makes it possible to demonstrate universal application and reliability of SABA adhesives. It guarantees that our products perform at the best regardless the brand or type of processing equipment. By using each other's experience and expertise, we can create a win-win situation.
Collaborating closely with adhesive developers like SABA is a major advantage for us. The evolution of adhesive, especially the push toward eco-friendly and low-emission solution, directly influence our design and engineering process. The goal is to offer our clients performance, adaptability and environmental responsibility in one complete solution.